Hello everyone, this is Dirk coming to you on a beautiful early spring day in March of 2021. I think this is about the 15th take me trying to make this video. However, I am here surrounded by my typewriters and I want to introduce them to you. I want to introduce them to the people who've been around them all their lives and are questioning why I'm still talking about a machine that's considered obsolete for so many years. But I especially want to reach out to the people who have never seen one before, and I want to explain to them why they still have a purpose, a renewed purpose in the 21st century. Because if you think about it, we're every day exposed to these wonderful technologies that we have. We have the internet, we have computers, we have cell phones, iPads, streaming services. I could go on and on and on. Technology that we could never have dreamt of is now an everyday item. So why are machines that are such as these that are now of significant age and simplicity still relevant? It's because they have shifted in purpose. They have found a renewed purpose. They have gone from being an everyday necessity such as your laptop computer to being an artistic and creative tool. And in ways that has brought out a better characteristic to each and every one, that's given them a better chance than ever before, because now they can be respected, they can be appreciated for what they are. You look at them with a different eye. Every typewriter is different. Every typewriter has gone through different things during their existence. Many of these machines are 100 years old or older. This machine was made in 1917. This one was made in 1911. 1927. I got machines here that are over 110, sometimes that one's 120 years old. And they still work. They're still around after their owners have long passed on, and the world has changed tremendously during the time that they existed. They are still there. They sit on your desk, they work, they're very simple to work on, they're very simple to operate. And there's a satisfaction that comes with that simplicity. And that's what I love about typewriters. They bring with them a sustainability, they bring with them a quality, and a quality of simplicity. A quality where the operator has to put the effort in instead of the tool itself. And yes, a typewriter will only give you one chance on what you're writing, but it won't judge you, it won't correct you, it won't tell you what to write or how to write it, it won't underline the words in ways that you spell them because it doesn't like the way you spell them. Typewriters type whatever you want to, and they're non-biased. And that's why they're so great. Aside from the fact that they all bring with them a little something different. I mean, that one is red, that one is orange, that's simple enough. And they're historically relevant. They've been a part of human lives for so long, and we didn't even think about it. It's like walking shoes, shoes that you don't, or chairs or radios. It's been part of us so long that we don't think about it. But they're very loyal, and they still serve a purpose. They serve a new purpose in this day and age. And that's why it's important to consider adopting one of these. Adopt a typewriter because they're fun. They sit on your desk. You don't have to use them. You just have to look at them. They're a wonderful conversation piece. You can type out your shopping list on them. You can type out your love letters or your resignation papers or your tax papers. I've done it all. And it's a wonderful experience. And every time someone lays eyes on one of these machines or the written word that comes from them, they're fascinated and they're intrigued. And the people that have been around them for so long, they question why they still have a purpose, but they can understand the appreciation. And people that have never seen these, they lay their fingers and they're relating to an era 100 years ago. They're connecting with people that were around in the early 20th century, in the late 19th century. The same keys that were used 100 years ago are being used today. And that's why they're culturally significant, and that's why you should adopt a typewriter today. Bring out your inner writer, whatever it can be. Take it to the park, take it to a restaurant, take it to the backyard, sit down and punch those keys. Just write out whatever's in your head and you'll find it's a big relief. These machines, they're a way for us to display our emotions. They're a way for us to connect. Yeah, it's very simple. The message is adopt a typewriter today.